welcome to iBoss Zone channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of maintaining railway switches NS in Indonesia. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for the latest updates. Let's get started. The position of the switch wheel must be accurate in the plane formed by the switch and must be outside the free space limit. All bolts securing the lower axle holder must be complete and firmly positioned. The same is true for the bolts securing the wall of the split box on the surrounding roll wheel and the main axle. The clearance between the switch wheel and its axle must not be too large, nor should the surrounding wheel and its axle. The chain anchoring bolts, both in the normal and abnormal position, must not protrude from the half circle of the switch wheel. The lock screw on the eccentric bolt must be present and firmly positioned. The position of the two switch pull rods must be in a straight line with each other. The position of the switch wheel box must be perpendicular to the rail axis. All moving parts must be lubricated with new oil.